Today, Panda gets his first credit card. It started on a Tuesday. Panda was checking his bamboo pile, which, thanks to the bamboo splint, was actually looking pretty decent these days. 20 sticks saved, bills paid. Gerald the landlord had received his 35 sticks without a single complaint. Panda was feeling good. Then something arrived in the mail. A letter, very official-looking, gold writing on the front. It said, "Congratulations, Panda! You have been selected for the Bamboo Bucks Platinum Card. Spend now, pay later. 0 sticks needed today." Panda read it 3 times. Spend now, pay later. Panda looked at his bamboo pile, then looked at the letter, then looked at his bamboo pile again. Panda thought, this sounds amazing. Panda was wrong. First, what is a credit card? In the Pandaverse, a credit card is called the borrow card. Here is how the borrow card works. Panda does not have enough bamboo sticks to buy something right now, so a big Panda bank called the Bamboo Bank steps in and says, "No problem, we will pay for it. You pay us back later." Panda gets the thing he wants today and pays the Bamboo Bank back at the end of the month. That is the basic idea, and honestly, used correctly, it is not a bad idea at all. The problem is what happens when Panda does not pay it back at the end of the month. That is where things get very uncomfortable, and that is where most pandas end up. Panda's first week with the borrow card was incredible. He walked into the bamboo electronics store and bought a brand new bamboo pod, the latest model. 40 bamboo sticks. Panda did not have 40 sticks, but the borrow card said yes, so Panda said yes. Then Panda went to the bamboo clothing grove and bought 3 new outfits. 20 sticks. Borrow card said yes. Then Panda went to the fancy bamboo restaurant, the one he could never afford before. Dinner for 1, 15 sticks. Borrow card said yes. Panda felt rich. Panda felt powerful. Panda felt like a completely different panda. The borrow card never said no. It just kept saying yes. This felt wonderful for exactly 28 days. Then the Bamboo Bank bill arrived. Panda opened it with one paw. The number on the bill said 75 bamboo sticks, due in 14 days. Panda looked at his actual bamboo pile. His actual bamboo pile had 22 sticks. Panda stared at the bill for a very long time. This was the moment Panda learned what the borrow card really is. It is not free bamboo. It is borrowed bamboo with a due date. Now here is where it gets really important, because Panda had 2 choices. Choice 1, pay the full 75 sticks before the due date. If Panda does this, no problem. The Bamboo Bank charges 0 extra. Panda gets all the benefits of the card and pays nothing extra. This is how the borrow card is supposed to work. Choice 2, pay only the minimum amount, the smallest payment the bill allows. In Panda's case, the minimum was just 5 sticks. 5 sticks sounds much better than 75. Panda only has 22. So Panda pays 5 and keeps the rest. Panda thought this was smart. Panda was not being smart. Here is what happens when Panda only pays the minimum. The remaining 70 sticks do not disappear. They stay on the bill, and the Bamboo Bank does something called charging interest. Interest is a fee for borrowing bamboo and not returning it on time. In the real world, most credit cards charge between 20 and 30% interest every year. That means for every 100 sticks Panda borrows and does not pay back, he owes 20 to 30 extra sticks per year on top. Let us use Panda's numbers. Panda owes 70 sticks. The Bamboo Bank charges 25% interest per year. That's about 1.5 sticks of extra charges every single month. So next month's bill is not 70 sticks, it's 71.5. Panda pays minimum again, another 5 sticks. Now Panda owes 66.5, plus another month of interest, now 68 sticks. Panda pays minimum again. Do you see what is happening? Panda is paying every month and the pile barely goes down because interest keeps adding to it, like a leak that never stops. This is called a debt spiral, and it is how pandas stay in bamboo debt for years, sometimes for a single shopping trip.
But wait, it gets a little more complicated because the borrow card is not all bad news. There is something called a credit score. In the Pandaverse, it's called the Panda Trust Number. The Panda Trust Number is a score between 300 and 850 that tells every lender in the Pandaverse how trustworthy Panda is with borrowed bamboo. High number, Panda is trusted. Lenders give him better deals, better interest rates, better cards. Even landlords like Gerald check this number before renting a cave. Low number, Panda is seen as risky. Lenders charge him more. Sometimes they say no completely. And here is the thing, using a credit card responsibly is one of the fastest ways to build a high Panda trust number. So the borrow card, used correctly, is actually a powerful tool. The question is, what does use correctly actually mean? The 3 bamboo rules of the borrow card. Rule 1. Only borrow what you already have. Before Panda swipes the borrow card, he checks his real bamboo pile. If he does not have the sticks in real life, he does not put it on the card. The card is for convenience and rewards, not for buying things Panda cannot afford. Rule 2. Pay the full bill every single month. Every month, when the Bamboo Bank bill arrives, Panda pays the full amount, not the minimum, the full number. This way, Panda pays 0 interest, 0 extra sticks. The Bamboo Bank gets nothing extra. Panda wins. Rule 3. Never use more than 30% of the card limit. Every borrow card has a limit, the maximum Panda is allowed to borrow. If Panda's limit is 100 sticks, he should never use more than 30 sticks at a time, even if he plans to pay it all back. This is called credit utilization. Keeping it low makes the Panda trust number go up. Going over it makes it go down. 30%. Remember that number. Let us check in on Panda. After receiving that very scary 75-stick bill, Panda had a long, serious talk with himself in the cave. He made a decision. He called the Bamboo Bank. He set up automatic full payment every month. He deleted the Bamboo Electronics Store app from his Bamboo phone, and he put a small sticky note on his borrow card that said, "Do I have these sticks in real life?" One question before every single swipe. It changed everything. 6 months later, the Panda trust number had gone from 620 to 710. Gerald the landlord was suddenly much nicer during lease renewal. The bamboo bank offered Panda a better card with actual rewards, bamboo points that turned into free bamboo shoots at the fancy restaurant. Panda was not avoiding the borrow card anymore. Panda was using it correctly and winning.
Subscribe so you do not miss it. Hit the like button if Panda taught you something today, and if you have a friend who just got their first credit card and thinks it is free bamboo, send them this video. They will thank you later. See you next time.